Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted. The white is the lights reflecting. It's a bit of a preform. Ready to basically just polish. Make it into a pendant. Put a hole through the middle there perhaps. This piece is a bit better colour. Maybe cut it down the middle there. End up with a stone here. And this over here is a bit more sort of matrix sort of material. This piece I've just basically thrown in. It's got a vein of colour going through it. And going to have to grind down one side and then probably use a Dremel type tool to because you're going to end up with an undulating face. This piece, nice piece of Koroite type material, not a lot of colour but beautiful pattern. Basically just threw that in. It's only thin, but I think it would make a nice lapidary piece of stone. Fortunately it's a little bit thin, but you still can make something out of that. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.